Welcome to Teacher M's Academy. You've officially entered the M Protocol, an 8 weeks initiation designed to change the way you think, move, and lead. This is not a course, it's an initiation, a process that dismantles weakness, rebuilds discipline, and transforms your presence. The M Protocol is for men who are tired of comfort, tired of excuses, and tired of betraying their own potential. Inside this space, every decision has weight. Every action leaves proof, and every day is measured. This is where discipline becomes identity. You will be guided by me and mentored by our AI accountability system, which tracks your habits, your consistency, and your growth in real time. No excuses, only measurable proof. Because here, we do not talk about change. We prove it. Phase 0, pre-initiation screening. Before any man enters the M Protocol, he is tested. The pre-initiation screening filters and qualifies only those who are ready for serious transformative commitment. You will complete the high-value admission test, 10 questions designed to measure your discipline, your self-control, and your readiness for change. Our AI will immediately evaluate your results and issue a verdict. Approved for an interview or not ready yet? If you're approved, you will earn a private interview with me and receive your official initiation date along with Phase 1 onboarding kit. If not approved, you will complete the 7 days pre-reckoning primer and may reapply in 21 days. Every man is tested, few are chosen. Phase 1, the reckoning. Week 1 and 2. This is where illusions are destroyed. You strip away false identity and confront uncomfortable truth. You sign the standard pledge, complete the masculine audit, and face the reality of who you have become. 2 weeks of brutal honesty and discipline implementation. When you leave the reckoning, you are no longer the same man you've entered. Phase 2, the rebuild. Week 3 and 5. Now we reconstruct. You built unshakable system, ritual that runs your life instead of emotions. You track every win. You analyze every failure. By week 5, discipline is no longer feels forced. It becomes instant. It becomes you. Phase 3, the weaponization. Week 6 and 7. Once discipline is unbeaten, it becomes a weapon. You learn to command space, to enter a room and shift the atmosphere without saying a word. Our AI system presence coach analyze your communication, your posture, your tone, and your emotional control. Confidence becomes automatic. Presence becomes undeniable. Phase 4, the standards. Week 8. In final phase, everything is anchored. You complete victory week, receive the standard seal, and earn entry into the brotherhood. Men who live by proof, not performance. This is not graduation, it is identity. The standard is not something you do, it's who you are. The M Protocol is not for men who want comfort. It's for men who are ready to lead. If you are ready to stop chasing distraction and step into discipline, your initiation begins now. The week talk about change, the standard proves it. Here at Teacher M's Academy, we don't motivate men, we educate man, and we create kings. And just remember, you're the man. Now say it with me. You're the man.